Are you the kind of person who gets nightmares from watching movies? Then this game is probably not for you. Ghouls and Ghosts for the Commodore 64. Quite a scary game for its age, and even more frightening is exactly how difficult this game is to play, as we're about to find out. Okay, just while I'm drinking my cuppa, I thought I'd quickly show you the loading screen for this, for those of you who are completely geeks, like me. At least it's not making any noise like some games do, especially the Sinclairs. You know, it doesn't do that. Nice and quiet. Probably a good thing. Okay, behold the wonder that is Ghouls and Ghosts. Then for the, I nearly said Nintendo 64 then, the Commodore 64. This was released in 1989. So let's see what happens. Now, this game, I warn you right now, is really hard. So don't expect me to get very far on this. It's one of the things it really was criticised for, and it's just crashed. That's just crashed on me. That whole thing has just bloody crashed. So, I'm now going to have to start again. I'll probably keep this in though. Oh well, I suppose that's the joy of using the real kit instead of emulations. You get to sit here, after waiting for it to load once, it crashes, and you get to sit here and wait for it to load again. More tea, and time to watch this new Ashen's tech dump. If anybody knows the user Ashen's, he's made some programs for the BBC. If you go onto his channel, you'll be able to find the links. They're quite good, so while this uploads, I'm going to drink more tea and watch Ashen's. So there we go. The joys of using real technology instead of emulators. Well, there again, the emulators do the same thing, so oh well. Carry on. Okay, take 2. Welcome to the wonders of Ghouls and Ghosts and all that stuff. Let's get going on this one. Right, I've changed my controller as well to get on track. So I don't know if this works. Oh, it does work. Oh yes. This is actually a Sega Genesis controller I've now got running on the 64. It's a controller I've not even used before. But I'm going to review it. This is not one I've seen before, and it actually came with a console I bought. Okay, basic thing is it's the basic sort of platformer. Go around and shoot stuff up that you find. And general rule of thumb in this game, get killed. This is generally what seems to happen the most. Right, let's go. Shooty birdie. Why won't you shoot that birdie? Kill the birdie. Oh well. Kill that birdie instead. There we go. Oh, that was a big load of blood and guts there. Oh, bugger. He got me. As I said, this is an incredibly hard game. So if you fancy some frustrating gameplay, this is the game for you. Whoa, go away, go away. Oh, scary bloke. Right. Have you noticed he's not actually quite standing on that hill. He's actually above the hill. See if I can go. Nope, it's off. Oh, there we go. Is it any easier if I go up here? Right. Kill that bloody bird again. There you go. Ah, run. Scary bloke. And he got me in the same place again. That's how irritatingly difficult this game is. Right. Oh, helps to have pressed the right fire button. Yeah, look, you're not even on the bloody ground. I'm sure this guy's not Ghost himself. Now that thing's going to come down and try and swoop me, which he did. Told you, this game is really hard, and I'm not good at it. But you can get a feel for what it's like. Apart from frustratingly difficult. Now I'm going to go up there this time to try and... Ah. Bugger me. What to do? Nose needs picking. I'll do that. I'll press fire. Make some shit up for name and end. I'm at the top of the house. Hey, I'm number 1. Isn't that great? Right. Come on. Down we go. Right. See if we can make some serious effort at this now. Come on, Tim. He wouldn't turn around now. He's got a bloody guy who needs to get a different job, chasing me every bloody where. Right, can we... anything we can do about this bugger? Ah! I didn't even get as far that time. I hope you're enjoying the review. It's limited. Miss me, go on. Oh yes, got him. Nice change. Just no, just know this bit. Oh no. I amazed myself. Often I do that, especially when I'm playing games. Okay, I got through. Oh, I was only supposed to jump on that first ledge. And it sent me all the way back again. Not only is it bloody hard, it's bloody merciless. Arrgh. Hey! Hey, that was a chest, and when I turned it, what? Oh, how irritating is that? If there's ever a game where you need cheat codes, this is it. Notoriously difficult. But I thought I'd let you look at it anyway. Come on, birdie. Thank you. I hope you're enjoying this in-depth review of all the levels. If you are, you're enjoying it more than I'm enjoying playing it. Bloody hell, it's hard. I told you I wasn't the world's best game player, but this is bloody ridiculous with this game. Right, let's try a different tactic this time. Wait for birdie. Come on, birdie. Just miss me. Duck. Off we go. Fire. Come on, birdie. Trigger. Oh. Now for to stay in that first position, that bugger wouldn't have got me. Oh well. That's my best effort at Ghouls and Ghosts. I hope you got an in-depth look at it there. Because I didn't. And it carries on pretty much like that. Bloody hard. So, if you want a game that frustrates you to no endless, this is the one for you. Thank you. Enjoy. I'm gonna have a call.